bring in a stadium background, then bring a white gradient, duplicate it, bring in the image, remove the background. Watch what I'm doing. Bring the second image, remove the background. Go to position and send it back. Go to apps, type image blender. Choose this particular one. Now do it the way you want to fade to be, how you want to fade it. Then reduce the strength. Now bring a rectangle shape, change the color, stretch it,
Gonna tell you what you can do with my love.
go to position,
Let you know,
set it back.
girl, you're looking good. You're out of sight and all right. Just move yourself and glide like a 747 and lose yourself in the sky among the clouds in the heavens.
Go to the rectangle shape and reduce the transparency a little bit.
It's
Now go to blend image again to fade the leg of the second picture.
set in your shoes. Stand up.
Reduce the transparency.
Let this groove.
Now bring in white gradient again to fill up this remaining space. Just watch what I'm doing. Duplicate it. Now send it downward. Reduce the transparency a little bit. Bring in another one to fill up the other side. Duplicate it. Then go to position and send it back.
Let this groove. Set in your shoes. Stand up.
Now transparency a little bit, reduce a little bit. Now bring the NFL logo around the background. Bring in the text.
Let's groove.
Bring in the text.
Share the spice.
Now bring a line and change the color to blue.
Baby, slice it.
Position it well. Duplicate.
We're gonna groove.
This is just to make the design look more, more nice.
Get you to move. It's alright. 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 Let this groove set it.
Now bring in the logo and the helmet and the ball. Let it transparent a little bit. And we're done. Here is the final result.
Gonna tell you what you can do with my love. Alright. Let you know